Working after dark is nothing new to you. But now you can see your fields in a whole new light with LED lights from John Deere. More than the latest lighting technology, John Deere high-quality LEDs are the bright way to work the night shift. That's because LEDs offer so many advantages: less power consumption, higher light output, longer life, tougher performance, easy direct replacement. It all adds up to the best benefit of all.
The biggest things with the LED lighting is the fact that the farmers, and not just farmers, anybody that's got a truck, got a trailer, we're switching more to the LED lights because we don't have the time to be down. We don't have that time to change the lights out, to worry about when you go to get that truck out or that tractor or whatever you're working with. LED fires up every time.
With LED lights on your tractor and equipment, working the night shift is more productive than ever. Take power consumption. When you add LEDs, you're less likely to overload your tractor's electrical system. LEDs draw far fewer amps than sealed beam lights, protecting battery and alternator life, saving you service time and money. In an amp-to-amp comparison, you can see the difference between what halogen lights draw, on your right, versus what LEDs draw. And if you have an older tractor, you know that less power consumption is a very good thing. There's another reason LEDs rule the night: higher light output than sealed beam bulbs. LEDs are just plain brighter. You can see farther and wider, get better definition, and see patterns more clearly. So you work smarter.
We outfitted our tractor behind us with all LED, and with running that this year, after, as you can see, we've been in harvest, the visibility is phenomenal. And to replace one or two particular lights versus the whole set, I think you need to do the whole set because the visibility, the depth perception is better, your work area is better. We've had nothing but success in walking around the tractor, hooking implements up.
The old lights were like having candles out there. These new lights makes everything bright as daylight.
And LEDs go the distance. With 44 times the life of sealed beam bulbs, you may never have to change them out as long as you own your tractor.
There's nothing worse than having to replace a light in the field. You know, with our halogens, you know, vibrations, any type of, you know, even cold hot, you know, when you're working in colder temperatures, they just don't hold up. They just don't hold up. And the LED, it's going to be there for the life of the tractor.
Just imagine how much replacement time and expense you'll save with LEDs. With no filament, they're virtually indestructible. And if you ever do have to replace LEDs, plug them into the same housing you plug your sealed beam lights into.
Best feature that I've noticed is the clarity of the light. You know, they talk about lumens and they talk about daylight, and from what I see, the LED is so much closer to true light, and with the fact that we're closer to true light, my ability to run longer is better. I don't feel like I'm getting headaches or neck aches or strains.
Make working in the dark easier and more productive season after season with John Deere LED lights, the bright way to work the night shift. Ask your dealer today about the growing family of high-quality LED lighting products available from John Deere.